The biggest myth that I see about motorcycle crashes is that if you get on the motorcycle, you were foolish enough to get on it and therefore it's your fault. That is so not true. Most motorcycle drivers are extremely cautious and safe, but people pull out in front of them, don't see them, they're there and they get hurt. Motorcycle cases are typically some of the most difficult and problematic cases that you can have. First and foremost, the injuries are usually horrific, but more importantly too, is that motorcycle riders typically don't carry much coverage. Unfortunately, most people who drive on the roads today carry the state minimum, which is $30,000 if they have insurance at all, which usually is not nearly enough. What they need now is not a lesson on defensive driving, but sufficient assets to compensate them for the injuries they've sustained. At the Parker Law Firm, we consider ourselves specialists representing motorcycle crash victims. We understand the motorcycle rider. We know that they are facing a long road to recovery, as well as insufficient assets to compensate them and make them whole from the crash that they've experienced. Success, in my book, comes when we put as much money in my client's pocket as humanly possible, knowing it may not ever be enough given the circumstances, but it'll be the absolute most that we can get. We have a saying at the Parker Law Firm that we're the attorneys you want, but hope you never need. And if you ever find that you do need us because you've suffered a catastrophic injury in a motorcycle accident, you can be assured you will be in the very best capable hands.